Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design this smooth 90-degree pipe elbow with flanges step by step. This tutorial is beginner friendly and perfect for improving your SOLIDWORKS practice skills. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button on this video. So let's aim for 25 likes on this video. So let's begin. Now go to the front plane, draw a sketch. I'm going to create a geometry like this. Go back to the line and draw an arc like this. Click here and click here. Okay, so this will be our path we will define later. These two lines must be equal position, and make sure these two lines also and this curve must be in a tangent position, and the length is 150 mm and the radius I'm going to define 260 mm isometric view. So this is our geometry we have created. Now we will define the path. Let's draw the path. Select origin and the circle diameter, zoom in like this, rotate it, and the diameter 290 mm and OK. Now we will use isometric view. Go to features, select swept boss base, and I'm going to use sketch profile, not a circular profile, sketch profile. The first one, the profile will be this and sketch will be this. However, I need a hollow, so I'm going to define the depth is 40 mm, reverse the direction. Material must be inside, as you can see on my screen. I'm going to assign appearances and material. Select material, choose whatever you like. I'm going to use brushed nickel, it looks good. Hide these shadows. I'm going to use factory. Next, select this face, draw a central rectangle, choose 360, use tab button and 360 and OK. Our sketch is fully defined. This is simple tutorial. This is tutorial for beginners friendly, and the sketch fillet I'm going to define, select all the edges, and the fillet parameters will be 20 and OK. This is our flange we have created. Now we need a circle here, so what I can do, instead of drawing a circle, I'm going to use this edge and convert it. Okay, now reverse the direction and the 50 mm, extrude it 50 and OK. This way we have created flange. We need another flange. Select this face, draw a sketch, draw a square flange profile, find a center and the depth width and height will be 360. Now I'm going to use extrude boss. Oops, I forgot to convert this entity. Select convert entity and select this outer edge and OK. Now go to the extrude boss base, reverse the direction 50 mm and OK. Once this step is done, we will use fillet feature, and the fillet will be 10 mm and select all the edges, and 20 mm and OK. Now let's create 4 holes. Select this face, draw a sketch, draw a center rectangle, and the width and height will be 260 mm. Make it for construction geometry. Again I am going to draw 2 circles, and the first one will be 60 and the second one will be 30. This is a bolt hole. We are going to use Extruded Cut feature. SolidWorks automatically select, but I want to use manual feature. Select this inner circle and OK. This way we have created first a cut extrude, and the second one, the depth will be 10 mm. Clear this, select outer circle and OK, and boom, we have created these bolt holes. Our next step, I am going to use circular pattern. Go to circular pattern, linear pattern, circular pattern, select this face, our direction, features. I want open this window, select Extrude Cut 1 and Extrude Cut 2, and I want 4 number of pattern and OK. This is a tip. I am going to show you how expand the cut extrude and control copy the sketch number 6 by using Control C. OK, and select this face and create a sketch and Control V. Boom. Instead of drawing, we will have used Control C and Control V features, and find the center of this circle and make it fully defined. Instead of using manually, I will use fully defined sketch here. As you can see on my screen, how SolidWorks automatically define the sketches. Again, go to Extrude Cut feature, select this inner one, make it through wall and OK. Again go to select this sketch, Extrude Cut, selected counters. I am going to select outer circle, and the depth will be 10 mm. Next step, we will use circular pattern. Select this face. I am going to use feature faces will be these and this and OK. 4 number of patterns I want. Oops, it will show error, so use geometric, hit the green check geometric pattern. Now let's apply chamfer. Select chamfer, the chamfer will be 10 mm. Select this edge and that edge and OK. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts and subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorial every week. Thanks for watching.